Welcome to this course, and in the following videos I'm going to be talking about several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. Most people think that you need a large YouTube channel with millions of subscribers and millions of views in order to be successful on YouTube. And yes, it is true that people on YouTube who have millions of subscribers are making a lot of money. What's also true is that you don't really need a large channel to earn a full-time income. I know of YouTubers with small channels who are earning a full-time income, and that's because they're not relying on just one or two income streams or the popular income streams and business models that you hear about, such as making money from YouTube ads being placed on your videos. But with that said, you do need a business model around your channel. Don't just focus on growing your audience and your AdSense revenue. And AdSense revenue I'm going to talk about in a later video, and it's basically the revenues that you earn when people click on ads on your videos. And mind you, when you first start out, you may have small income streams, but if you add them all together, they can add up to something significant. So you should strategically try to build multiple streams of income. So watch the following video in which I'm going to talk about the several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. I'm just going to go through some income streams in this video that you can earn as a YouTuber. Some of these you may already be familiar with, and some of them you may not. Okay, so let me just quickly go through these. And then some of these I'll talk more about in the following videos. Now, the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers is AdSense, Google AdSense. And basically, when you're watching a YouTube video and you see an ad, and if you click on that ad, the YouTuber who posted that YouTube video will get paid by Google. Now, other ways you can make money are through the sales from your own products, through crowdfunding, brand deals, and affiliate income. And these income streams that I just mentioned, I'll cover more in the following videos. Other ways to earn money are through consulting, speaking opportunities. You can also license some of your video content to brands that want to take your content and make it a part of their commercials. You can set up a paid membership site in which you can provide more training and other perks. And you can do super chats, and this is where you can get paid through your live streams. You could also do freelance services. And lastly, my favorite income stream is to build an email list that you can continually market products and or services to. And I will also be talking about this in another video in this series. I'll also be talking about the super chat in another video in this series. Okay, so with that said, I will see you in the following video. The first income stream that I'm going to talk about is Google AdSense, and this is probably the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers, probably because it requires the least amount of work. And this is actually my least favorite income stream. Okay, now if you're not familiar with Google AdSense or you don't know what it is, it's basically where you share revenue with Google when their ads are displayed on your videos, and a viewer clicks on that ad or watches it fully. Now, here's what I don't like about this business model. First, you cannot control this revenue stream, and you're going to make very little money through this business model. You're only going to make between $1 to $2.50 on every 1,000 views, or CPM. CPM means cost per thousand. So for every 1,000 views on your videos, you're only going to get paid between $1 and $2 or $2.50. So if you do the math, if your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000, then you need to get 500,000 views. There are exceptions though. If you niche your channel down and become really targeted, you can earn more money per 1,000 views. For example, I know of a YouTuber who's making $15 instead of the average $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, he's making $15. So if you want to start putting AdSense ads on your videos, there are some new YouTube requirements.
you do need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, if the thought of making money through AdSense depresses you, don't worry. In the following videos, I'll talk about other business models that you can apply in which you can actually earn more money than AdSense, and that requires, or actually does not require, you to have a large YouTube channel. In the previous video, I spoke about Google AdSense and that you don't earn much with Google AdSense. And luckily for you, there are business models that pay a lot more, such as affiliate marketing. You can earn 4 times more with affiliate marketing than having YouTube ads or Google AdSense. Okay, you simply put links in your YouTube description, and these links, well, let's call them affiliate links. When people click on your affiliate links, they'll be brought to a page, to another website, and if they buy something from that website, you earn a commission. And there's an affiliate program for almost everything. So you find the right one for you, sign up as an affiliate, and then start promoting those products. The most well-known affiliate program is Amazon. So just head on over to Amazon if you haven't already got an affiliate account with them. And when you're an affiliate, you start using affiliate links and earning commissions when people purchase through your link. It doesn't even have to be the product that you direct people to if you're using Amazon. As long as it's within their cookie period, if they purchase anything on the Amazon website, it doesn't even have to be related to the product that you're promoting. You will still earn commissions from Amazon. Another popular affiliate program is ClickBank, and that is more for digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and video tutorials. So you go to ClickBank, sign up as an affiliate, and you will find products for almost every niche. So that's worth taking a look. And there are dozens of affiliate programs out there, so you can just do a Google search and see which ones are more appropriate for your business. Now, to increase the likelihood of your viewers actually clicking on your affiliate link in your description, you have to create good quality videos. And when you're promoting affiliate products, there are several types of videos that you can make. For example, you can create a video in which you do a product review. So for example, if you want to promote the Vitamix blender, which costs around $500, you could do a review of that product. Or you could also do a tutorial, a video tutorial of that product. So you could show how to use a product or how to fix it and so on. You could also create a favorites video. You create a video showing which products by Vitamix are your favorites. Now I'm just using Vitamix as a quick example off the top of my head. You could also create a best of videos, of comparison videos. So again, using the Vitamix example, you could create a video comparing Vitamix to the competition or to other blenders within the Vitamix company. Okay, so there's hundreds of other types of videos out there, but those are one of the best ones you can create. Lastly, make sure to give a full disclosure about your relationship with the advertiser or the sponsor in the video, and in the description and in the advanced settings, check off the box that says your video contains paid product placements. Now, what I like about this next one is the fact that you can earn recurring income from this model. And what I'm talking about is earning income from a website called Patreon. Patreon is sort of like a platform that you can use to have your own paid membership site, except that Patreon does all the work. It's also a crowdsourcing type income model that's based entirely on rewards and incentives that you get to design for your own audience. So if you're a YouTuber and you have only a few subscribers, it's still possible to make 4 figures per month. There are more than 2,000 video creators making more than $1,000 each month on Patreon. You can choose to get paid either per month or every time you publish new content. And what I recommend to a lot of people is to choose to get paid per content. This way you'll be more motivated to create more high quality content. Aside from the recurring income, what I also like about this business model is that you're not relying on YouTube and Google AdSense, and that you're being supported by the people who watch your content. And what's also great is that this allows fans to connect with you on a whole new level. Another great way to earn income with your YouTube videos is to be sponsored by companies and for them to basically pay you just for talking about their product. So this is called sponsorships and brand deals, and there are many ways to connect with these brands. There's dozens of websites in which influencers, which is basically you, and brands, these companies, can connect with each other. And usually in these platforms, the brand will post a job and invite influencers to apply. So you would submit a proposal, and if accepted, you and the brand discuss more details and the payment. And if you do get approved, you post your content on YouTube and the brand pays you. And there are popular websites for finding brands, and a couple of these are FameBit and Grapevine. You can also hustle and use Google to find even more brands. When you first email these brands, you have 10 seconds to grab their attention. So tell them who you are and how you can bring value to them. And remember, it doesn't really matter how good your idea is, it matters how detailed it is to their needs. You can also give them a preview of the type of video that you're going to create for them. In terms of getting paid, don't be the first to give your price. Instead, ask them what their budget is and that you'd love to work around their budget. Before you charge brands for your services, it's important to know your worth so you can be confident in what you charge companies. Because you know what? You may be more valuable than you perceive. Think of it this way. It costs a lot of money for companies to create content. They have to pay money to hire actors, etc. And they see a lot of value in your channel because you're creating the content for them already. And brands spend thousands of dollars on ad spots on social media that don't convert much anyway, so they're used to spending a lot of money. Now keep in mind, the more specific your niche is, or the more targeted that your YouTube channel is, the more money you're worth. So even if you have a small channel, you're possibly worth more than a channel that is not in a specific niche. There are actually some YouTubers who have small channels who are earning a full-time income because their niche is very specific. So if you do have a specific niche, try to deal with the brands who are targeting your specific audience, not the brands who are just trying to target a general niche, because you'll get paid more from these brands. Another way that you could earn income as a YouTuber is by selling your own products. And what I'm going to be talking about here is physical products. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about digital products. Okay, now if you're an artist, you could sell your own artwork, or if you're a musician, you could sell your own music. But of course, I know that the majority of you are not artists or musicians, so you're going to have to create your own products. And there are websites out there such as teespring.com, which I'm looking at right now, where you could upload your designs, and basically they'll put it on the merchandise for you. So for example, on Teespring, you could sell t-shirts and sweaters and other types of clothes and accessories, and basically you have your designs uploaded here, and whenever you make a sale, these people will print out your clothes for you. So there's basically no upfront investment for you. You only pay when you make a sale. Another website that you could go to is aliexpress.com, and this company is based in China, and there are probably millions of products that you could find here for pennies on the dollar. So for example, if you want to sell jewelry, just click on jewelry here, and I'm just going to show you an example of the pricing that's that you can get here. You could get them for 98 cents. So basically you can buy them for a few cents and then sell them for anywhere between $5 and $20 depending on the type of product it is. And the great thing is, just like Teespring, there's no upfront investment. You only buy these products when you make a sale. So if a customer places an order and you receive the money from them, then you would go to AliExpress or from the suppliers on AliExpress, and you would order from them, and then they would ship the products for you to the customer. And this is what you call drop shipping. You're basically not having to hold any inventory, as the supplier will ship the products for you to your customers. In the last video, I spoke about selling physical products. Now, I do prefer to sell digital products, and that's because you can automate the process and customers can immediately receive the products without you having to do anything. Now, there are several types of digital products that you can sell. You can sell ebooks, video tutorials, software, reports, graphics, website templates, etc., depending on what your skills are and depending on what your channel is about. Now, I know of a guy who makes around $300 per 1,000 views from his $7 ebook. So for every 1,000 views, every time he gets 1,000 views, he'll get a certain amount of traffic to his website, and people will buy his $7 ebook, and he'll generate around $300. And this is a lot better than the $2.50 for every 1,000 views that most people will get by using AdSense. Now, if you are going to go ahead and write an ebook, you can take a day just to focus and write your own 10, 20, or 50-page book, or you can also hire somebody, or you can hire a ghostwriter from an outsourcing website to write the book for you. Now, you can also buy private label rights, and for this, you could just do a Google search. Just type in private label rights or PLR, ebooks, videos, etc., and you could get PLR to all types of products: ebooks, videos, software, reports, graphics, and so on. And what private label rights or PLR, what that means is basically you are buying the license to rebrand the products under your own name and company. So if you were to buy the PLR to an ebook, you could actually edit the content of the ebook, and you could also claim yourself as the author of that book.